Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today for class 3D, we will learn subtopic on graph functions. Okay, graph functions about the turning point. Okay, so what is turning point? Okay, what is turning point? How to find it? Okay, and lastly, what does it shows? Okay, and where does it shows in the graph? Okay, so basically this is a graph of quadratic function. This is a quadratic, so this is the function. Okay, so when quadratic function x square, so the largest index is x square, power of 2, so meaning this it will be formed in the quadratic. Okay, like this. So either is the turning point, the type of the turning point. The first thing that you need to know about the turning point is the type of the turning point. Okay, type of turning point, either is a positive or the negative one. Okay, so the positive or negative one depend on the coefficients. Okay, depend on the coefficient of x square. So meaning here kat depan ni ada a, coefficient ni positive. Okay, if positive, so this is for the positive quadratic. Okay, so if negative, the value of a negative, so dia akan jadi macam ni. So contoh negative 2x square, so bentuk dia akan jadi macam ni lah. If positive, meaning such as this x square, so a kat depan dia positive. Okay, so dia akan senyum. Okay, so kat mana turning point tu? So this is the turning point. Okay, so this is the turning point. So kalau dia positif senyum, kita panggil dia minimum point. Okay, kenapa dia panggil, we call it minimum point? Because it's the lowest value, the lowest point of the quadratic graph. Okay, kalau negatif masam macam ni, but this is the maximum point. Okay, so bila kita sebut maximum point, coordinate dia ada x, y lah. Okay, tapi kalau kita sebut maximum value, maksud dia line. So you kena hati-hati. Okay, either maximum value ke maximum point ke, so kena tahulah. Okay, so kita letak summary sikit kat sini. 1. Okay, so ax square plus, this is the general form, plus c. Okay, so this is the quadratic. Tengok kat mana quadratic, tengok kat power dia. Okay, then you tengok a dia positif atau negatif. So kalau dia positif, so dia akan senyum. Okay, kalau dia negatif, okay, kalau dia negatif, kalau a is positif, dia akan senyum. Kalau a dia negatif, dia akan masam macam ni. Okay, so kalau a dia positif senyum, this is a minimum point. Okay, kalau masam, this is a maximum point. So bila sebut maximum minimum, dia adalah koordinat. Okay, dia adalah koordinat, kena ada x, y. Okay, tapi kalau soalan tu sebut minimum value, it only refer to y coordinate. Okay, coordinate. Same goes to here. Kalau dia sebut maximum value, so it refer to y coordinate. Okay, so that is the first thing. And bila kita kata dia minimum maximum is the turning point, so this is a turning point. Kenapa nama dia turning? Nampak dia turun, okay, and it turn the direction. So because of that, we call it turning point. So because of it is a quadratic, dia adalah symmetry. So sebelah sini kalau kita draw x-axis. Okay, kalau kita draw x-axis, contoh kalau kat sini 5, negative 5, kat sini 0, kat sini mesti 5. So distance dia mesti sama. Okay, same goes to here also. Okay, so dia symmetry. Okay, so ini basic benda yang you patut tahu tentang turning point. And next kita akan belajar how to find the turning point. Okay, so done for that first.